How to start with Zoho Books for real estate agents. So, are you a real estate agent looking to organize commissions, expenses, and client billing? Let's set up Zoho Books step by step. So, start with entering your brokerage or agent details. Name, address, email, tax ID, and upload your logo for branded documents. Now, add accounts tailored for real estate, commission income, property sales revenue, advertising, travel, and bank charges. This ensures accurate organization. Add buyers, sellers, and investors as clients. Set up vendors like photographers, staging companies, and banks for expense tracking. Customize quotation templates with property details and commission terms. Convert quotations into invoices once deals close. Record monthly fees like MLS subscriptions, advertising, and staging costs. Use recurring expense for regular payments like rent or utilities. Connect your bank account to Zoho Books, import transactions, reconcile commissions, deposits, and fees to keep your books aligned with your statements. Generate reports like profit and loss, commission tracking, and cash flow. These help you monitor earnings, expenses, and prepare for taxes. And that is how real estate agents can start with Zoho Books.